Hi guys. Okay, recently when I went to Georgia bushcraft, they were giving away something as like a door prize, I guess you'd call it. But it was called fire strip roll, and never heard of it before I got this. And it appears to be wax paper, and it's just a roll that you can pull out from the inside, you know. And the directions say pull from package without removing the outer wrapper, tear off a small piece of it, bend and break it up, rough it up, expose the fibers inside. You can hit it with a spark or with flame, and it will work just fine as a fire starter. Okay, let's try it out. I haven't tried it. You know, I haven't done in depth. I may have looked at it before, but you know what I mean. So I've taken a little piece off like this, and I, you know, tore a little bit, and it's fairly tough. Doesn't feel fragile or anything. I'm just going to take my fingernail, I'm going to grab and rip and make a series of itty bitty tears like that. If I can get as much surface area out of this thing as I can. Just like that. Now let's see if it'll catch a spark. I don't know. Haven't tried it. Well, that was pretty easy. Seems to burn fairly hot. And a pretty good little breeze right now too. That's a pretty good bit of flame for such a small piece. Not bad. Okay, seems to work pretty good. That's the fire strip roll, and let's see, there's a .com something right there on it. It's the only thing I know about it. I'll put that in the description box. I don't know anything about it other than what you just saw. It was handed to me, and anybody else that was logging in, you know, coming in, they said, oh, here you go, door prize. You know, what I was thinking about though, looking at this, taking some out of this roll and wrapping it around a lighter, and then putting a piece of duct tape around the outside of that. That would protect it. And the little, you know, lighter fire kit that we've been putting, like James Bender showed me to use a guitar pick. That's thin and flat. I could roll that tight around it. I could probably get a foot, 2 foot of this on there. Might be an idea. On the knife sheath maybe. I'm thinking of it as a way to incorporate this into something else. Maybe on my machete sheath, go around a couple times and have a tinder on there. It's wax, so it should be fairly waterproof. I don't know. Give it a try. Just wanted to share it with you guys. I find new gear just like you do, and they handed it to me, and it sounded like a good idea, so we'll give it a try. Okay? Till next time, guys, thanks for watching the channel, and thank you for all the support you give me. If there's anything I can do or whatever, just hit me up in the comments, and I'll do what I can. Till next time, I'm Blackie, wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.